Hello you beautiful peeps, my name's John, welcome to my channel. Today we've got the WL Toys 104009 and the 104019. Brushless, brushed. This one I've actually converted to brushed. If you've seen one of my previous videos, you'd have seen that this car had a significant failure to it. As in, the front and the rear were angled like this. And it turned out that it's quite a known phenomenon going on with all owners of these cars. I think the chassis is just not strong enough and it's actually wearing where the actual chassis point is, and obviously then giving the screws chance to move back and forth. So I picked up two of these here. These are just basically a reinforcement plate, but it's obviously designed to stop that happening. So even if it has already happened, you should be able to use this plate to then bring everything back in alignment. Now, as you can see, I have already fitted it to my 104019. The reason being that I just wanted to make sure that it in fact did what it said on the tin, and it does. So the process for doing that is super simple, my apologies. It is remove the 8 screws here, put the plate on, like so. I have used different screws because obviously the plate's slightly thicker, so you have to go through a little bit longer. So I've used these ones here. I am going to give you the measurements of this straight away. Make sure that it is sunk down. I was about to say self-tapping, but that's not correct. Oh God, it's definitely going to be one of those days because obviously it has to fit into the screw head there. So we've got 0.54 inches, 13.7 millimeters, and diameter here we have 0.10, 0.11 inches, and 2.7 millimeters. And then I'll just give you the diameter of the head there as well. Come on. 0.21 inches and 5.4 millimeters. So this one goes all the way through. Bob's your uncle, done. And it straightens up the car very easily, very quickly. Just be aware that when you're putting the two at the front and the two at the rear end, that the differential casing tries to pull away from it, so just hold everything in position as such. Now at the front you can see that you've got two screw holes there, and I think the intention is to be able to screw it into the holes that are already there. You see that there's 2 holes here, but I actually took the screws out, and by the time that you've then put the plate in and put the screw all the way through, your screw would have to be quite thinner than the one I just showed you, and quite long, so I don't see the point of doing that. I'm quite happy with it being independent to the actual bumper itself, so if there is an impact, then the bumper moves as well. And it's exactly what it says on the tin. The price of it I'll put up on the screen now. As I said, I bought 2 at the same time, so if you've got 2 cars, pick up 2, and it fits straight on. Very, very simple indeed. So if you want to stop your suspension arms, swing arms, everything sort of angling like that or like that, then pick up one of these plates. It's that simple. Links in the description below. Have a great day, stay safe, take care. Bye-bye.